This is the final video for the channel named Dreamlet, because from the next video moving forward, I'll be changing the name of this channel. And to understand why, I'd like to tell you the story of Dreamlet one last time. Dreamlet was the name of a channel me, my best friend from high school, and my cousin came up with together. It was back when we had wild dreams of becoming big YouTubers, but would instead spend hours just brainstorming names and playing Magic the Gathering. Dreamlet was meant to be the melting pot for all of our ideas. The theme of the name was a dream in a droplet, each droplet containing a vision that we wanted to bring to life. It was about inspiration and creativity. We made a few fun videos together, but unfortunately the group didn't last. So I continued as my own using the name Dreamlet. From 2018 to 2021, the channel was the most active. That's when I made a lot of whiteboard animation videos, where I expressed random thoughts I had, summarized some books I found useful, and eventually made a video that changed the trajectory of the channel. It was a video about how to create whiteboard animation videos that ended up blowing up and got me the majority of subscribers on this channel. It was a cool feeling, but I think it also marked the beginning of the end. Due to the success of that one video, I started making a lot more tutorial-based videos instead of expressing my ideas. But that quickly became very hollow. I once told myself that I wouldn't make videos that literally anyone else could make. It has to be a video where I at least bring in some sort of unique element. A story, an experience, an insight, a thought, anything that makes the video worth making in the first place. It's not about wanting to be original. It's about making something I'm personally proud of, something with heart in it. But I wasn't doing that at all. I kept grinding and making soulless videos until I just completely burnt out at the end of 2021. From 2022 onward, I haven't made a single true YouTube video on this channel that had heart in it, other than that one video talking about burnout. And in that video, I talked about how I discovered a video type that would make me all excited again, but it turns out trying to force yourself out of burnout somewhat only makes it worse. Ironically, I ended up modeling the same YouTube channel destructive tendencies that Ryan Higa had after he burnt out by trying to turn this channel into a podcast instead. I thought it would be a good way to bring in friends to help me express the ideas I already have, but it just didn't quite feel the same. However, there was still a spark in me. I started experimenting with other videos on a second channel. It was a way to escape the pressure of having 30,000 subscribers but so few views. And since my second channel had both little subscribers and little views, it felt a lot easier to upload. So I did, and I found myself enjoying the process. And although the stuff I made wasn't very good because I was still burnt out and I didn't like editing, I still posted it and had fun with it. And then the event that changed everything. My adventure in Japan came. I made a dedicated video going into my experience, but the short version is that I feel renewed and motivated again to really try all the ideas I've had in the past and dedicate myself this time. I think for once, ever since the end of 2021, I can finally truly say that I feel ready to make videos that I'm proud of again. But regarding the name Dreamlet, for a while now, I've lost my connection to the name. The feeling is so wrong inside of me that it actually acts as a barrier for me posting videos on this channel. I even considered starting a new channel because of that. But I ultimately decided that it's part of my history, and that renaming the channel would honor the past more than leaving it to be completely forgotten. So that's what I'm gonna do. Rename the channel into something that grows as I do. And I think the simplest option is to just use my name. So this is the end of Dreamlet. A part of me will really miss the name. I resisted for a very long time because I wasn't ready to let go of something I've outgrown, but I'm finally ready now. So goodbye to one big chapter of my YouTube life, and hello to a new one. So let me reintroduce myself. My name is Scott Liu, and I want to thank you for being a part of my journey with Dreamlet. It was honestly a good run, and I'm gonna miss it, you know? But it's finally time to move forward. It's gonna be fun.